Hello world, PDR coming at you here with a 2012 Ford Edge. Let me make sure that this is nice and tight, which it doesn't seem to be. Large dent in the rear door. It actually goes all the way down to here, so it's got a big scuff. Let's see what we can do with some of the scuff right here. Looks like there's a little scuff right in the center. Sorry about the background noise. Let's get the scuff out of the center. Little perfected compound. And some of that scuff came out. None of that line will come out. And some of this little scuff came out. Let's just grab another bit that was on this rag right here. Little reusage. And then, so thanks everybody for clicking on this video. What we've got today is this big dent. I'm gonna do what I can for this little guy too. I think on this one, if I can get down to it with a tool, I'll just tool it out. I'm gonna try for the same one on the top here, but I think what we're gonna start doing is tapping on this brow all the way down, bring this little brow down here and this little brow down here, and then slap a little glue tab on there and try to move most of that dent with some glue before we start pushing on it from behind. I honestly haven't even checked any access on the back here. We could probably do that right now. Let's move this off because that red line is starting to make me scared that it might fall. But if I was to grab wedge and guard at number 1, make sure my wedge is nice and clean, or my guard there. Find the edge of the window. Always be very careful on rear windows, by the way. And now let's just check to see if I have the access that I want. Yep, I can feel all around that dent. How high can I go? I don't know. It looks like I can only go up to about right here. So without using the J hook to come back up into it, we'll just see how much of this body line we can get out. It's nice to know that I can get to most of that dent if I need to. But I think, like I said, what we're gonna start doing is a lot of tapping, and I'm gonna do a lot of brow work on this and straighten it all out before we do any pulls. I'll get that stuff all set up and the glue gun all warmed up, and we'll come back to you in just a bit. Okay guys, getting ready for the first pull here. I've done a lot of tapping, and I'm gonna just give it a nice yank with the slide hammer right here. And hopefully it'll move. A little bit. You grab the isopropyl. See where we're at. Yeah, I'd say it moved a little bit, but the thing that's got to happen the most is the tapping right up here. Bringing this brow down. So I'm going to do a bunch more tapping, a couple more pulls, and we'll come back to you guys in just a bit. Okay, let's try one more pull. This time I'm going to use the lifter. Just stuck a round Keiko. Get it nice and tight. I did a lot of tapping on that brow. I was hoping that was going to release some tension. Didn't look like it did. I mean, it moved it a bit, but got a little bit more high brow to work. And come back and show you guys some pushing in just a bit. Okay guys, I'm gonna come in here and do some pushes. We got a lot of that dent out and a lot of the brow out. So what I'm doing is switch the board around a little bit so it's got the yellow. I'm right down here and I'm going to work this little area right here for a while that's underneath that dent, just to kind of see my tip a little bit, see where my tool's at. And I do have a lot of area down here I need to work anyway, just to flush out these lines that are kind of the residual tug from this dent. Now I did show you that this dent goes all the way down to here, but I'm just getting it nice and warm, and I'm going to come on up and start making some pushes. And I can definitely see these pushes, and I don't want to make them really strong, so I'm just going to make a bunch of tiny little pushes here and work this whole thing out. I am right basically in the center, and I'm going as slow as I possibly can. Yeah, it still has a little bit of tension. I'm going to keep on back and forth and tapping and pushing. So when I push a little bit and I feel the tension come back into the center of that dent, I got to basically get right back up to where that tension is, and it looks like it's right on the edge here. Let's turn this off and move it off to the side. Fold this board in a little bit so I can see my high line of tension right there. That'll relax the dent a little bit, and then another high line of tension up on top. This is where we get into some finite work here, guys. It's going to get really tough to see, but what we will do is come back and show you the final end result. And I'll probably even show you a little bit of this pushing on the bottom dent. But yeah, I had to make some pretty strong pushes. Switch over to my other little tapper and find this high ridge right up top. You can hear the sound change. And right where it's the most solid, right there, is where I want to break down that brow. This is the tough, tedious part, guys, but this is what makes it look good. So once again, thanks everybody for clicking on this video. If you would, hit that sub button and that like button. We sure appreciate it. Always helps the channel grow. We found out that only like 15% of people watching this video are actual subscribers, so to the other 85%, we like to keep our content fresh, and love for you to hit the sub button and become part of the family. So yeah, what I'm going to do is just basically straighten out these lines some more, do a lot more tapping up here, and come back in with a hot surface and tool out some more until we get this body line out. I think what we'll do is just come back and show you the tooling down here and the end result here in just a bit. Okay guys, we got the top area looking good. I got it to the point where it was pretty severe. I got it to the point that it was almost flattened out here, and if I was going to make the center push, I'd be risking cracking. Kept it really warm the whole time. I don't think this glue is hot enough yet, so this might not be a good pull. And I just looked at this dent down here. Oh, nice, it moved. And tried to get it from up top. It was braced up. So we're just gonna go with the glue pulling method on this one. Came out pretty nice. Let's give it a tap. Bring this area right back into place. And wasn't actually part of the initial part of the job, but when I saw it, I was like, oh yeah, that is part of the same dent, so we got to do what we can for it. And I'm just going to take a tiny bit of glue, stick it in the center here, and go for one more little pull. A fairly quick one. Give it this weird angle. Yeah, that pulled pretty nice. I could tell the timing on it was proper. Flushed it out. It's the inside of an inner round. So yeah, that's, I'll just tap these little guys down and come back, or finish this one off like this. Super, super nice. But let's show you what we ended up with. That has a little wave to it, and it was a big dent. Came out real nice. I spent most of the time up here on this top brow, got all the way down through the center, got right up into the center there, and nothing popped, nothing wanted to come out. And I could definitely make that push right in the center where that little tiny low is. And if I do that, guys, it's going to risk fracturing this nice black paint. And so I think what I'm going to do is, I've already showed it to the customer. He's super happy with it. The result is the way he wanted it. So I think what I'm going to do, and I even said if you had any touch up, I'd hit that little line there for you. But I think what we're going to do is just call it. I might make a couple more little taps and maybe even 2 or 3 little pushes up on top here on this edge. But we're basically going to call it. Super nice car for a super nice guy. And you know, this one came out the way we wanted it to. So if you guys would, hit that subs up button and that like button and the notifications bell and share it with people. This thing went from this big to this big, and you know, all in a day's work for this guy. I think I still do have a couple more little pushes right here that I'm gonna make, and I'll do those off camera. But other than that, I'll just say the thing. This has been PDR, and I'm out. God bless.